Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to BSS Online Education. I'm MB Sir, your maths teacher. Today I'm here to teach you exercise 14.4 from Level Up Maths. Let's enter the topic 1. The first one, you can see that 14.4, the topic name is reflections. So before starting the exercise, just few basic things. So we have to know about the reflection. What is reflections? How it works? Let's see the basic one. See that reflections, so we know that it's a geometrical transformations resulting in a mirror one. Like you can see that there's a picture. If animals stand here, exactly opposite is coming here. So this mirror, it's in our reflection line, we call that. As you can see that there's a ships. When in the middle there is a line, exactly opposite could be their reflections. So if you see another picture, like in this is a hillsides river, so every point is the same distance from a center line, as center line is our mirror line. So reflections is exactly same things gonna be an opposite way. Let's start the exercise where question number 1, if you see that they say draw a reflections of the image after on the other sides of the mirror. What, like if you try to zoom it, you can see that left side they have a drawn as shapes, some dots, the boxes, square boxes here. So before starting, you have to know that this is my mirror line. Target the mirror line. From this mirror line, how many box gap, and then it started 1 2. After 2 box gap, then they started 1 2 3 like this. So you have to fill up one by one like this. Make sure that you have to count the distance, and then you have to draw it. Then it could be very good for you. Let's I show you the answer script to you. As you can see that in my worksheets I have written here. As you can see that 2 gap I mentioned here, 1 2. So look at this 1 2 gaps. So 1 2 3, 1 2 3, exactly same thing I'm doing here. So with these connections, it's a one box. You can see one box is there, and whatever the whole picture you're watching, exactly same thing one by one I have drawn that. As you can see that down 1 2 3 4 5 square boxes they have colored. I also do 1 2 3 4 5 and up 1 2 3 4, exactly same. Make sure that at the last part, as you can see that over here is one box gap, then I have given again a straight line. Same things I have given here. So in this way, any shape, so we can reflect it. Make sure that you have to follow the mirror line, the middle line, the red line. That could be very good for us. Let's see question number 3. Question number 3, if you see that reflect these images, the horizontal and a mirror line. If I show you real book picture, you can find out that reflect these image in the horizontal line as they have given like this. So these things, as you can see that this is a red line, exactly opposite. When you're doing that 1 2 3, exactly 1 2 3, and you can see that 2 box gap, you have to put 2 box back. All these things you have to mention exactly this. There is no gap, straight away you can put 3 box over here. As I can show you here, look at this, 3 box, exactly 3 box over here, gap over here, exactly same thing we have done it here. So when you do the reflections, make sure that your mirror line target, if it's gap, then use, otherwise don't use that. And afterward they are asking what are complete shapes. So after reflecting the half of the image, that was my question, this one, after completing the reflections, we got these are the number 1380. So you have to write 1380. Thanks for today. Allah Hafiz.